Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Today, we will explore how to deploy an AI agent on the cloud using AWS and Docker. Running an AI agent locally is fine for experiments, but if you want your agent to be accessible, scalable, and reliable, deploying it on the cloud is the way to go. Imagine you have built your AI agent and it works perfectly on your computer. The next step is to make it available so anyone can interact with it. Docker and AWS are the perfect tools for this. Docker allows you to package your AI agent along with all its dependencies into a single container. This ensures that your agent will run consistently, no matter where it is deployed. AWS provides the infrastructure to host that container securely and at scale. To start, you will need an AWS account and a running EC2 instance. Think of the EC2 instance as a virtual computer in the cloud. Once your instance is ready, the next step is to install Docker. Docker is a tool that holds your AI agent and ensures it can run anywhere without conflicts or missing software. After installing Docker, you need to prepare your AI agent's Docker image. Conceptually, this means packaging all your code, libraries, and configurations into a single image. You can then push this image to a container registry like Docker Hub, making it easy to pull the image onto your cloud instance and run it immediately. Once your Docker image is on the AWS instance, you will start the container and expose the port your AI agent uses. For example, if your agent responds on port 8000, you will map that port when starting the container. At this point, your AI agent is live on AWS and can be accessed remotely. You can open your browser, connect to the agent, and see it respond just like it does locally. Next, let us talk about scalability. AWS allows you to scale your AI agent depending on demand. If more people start interacting with your agent, you can increase the instance size or use services like AWS Elastic Beanstalk or ECS to manage multiple containers automatically. This ensures that your AI agent can handle increasing traffic without slowing down or failing. Security is also an essential part of deploying an AI agent in the cloud. You should configure AWS security settings to allow access only through the necessary ports. This protects your agent and ensures it runs reliably without unauthorized access. By following these steps, your AI agent transitions from a local experiment to a fully deployable cloud service. You have learned how Docker ensures consistency, how AWS provides reliable infrastructure, and how to make your AI agent accessible and scalable. This workflow is the foundation that every AI engineer and developer should understand before moving to more advanced deployments involving multiple agents or automated workflows. With this conceptual understanding, you are now prepared to explore more advanced topics, such as deploying AI agents on Kubernetes, integrating them with automation tools, or connecting multiple agents to work collaboratively on complex tasks. Deploying AI agents in the cloud opens a world of possibilities. From personal productivity tools to business automation, your AI agent can now interact with real users anywhere, process requests efficiently, and scale according to demand. By mastering these deployment concepts, you are one step closer to becoming a skilled AI engineer capable of building fully autonomous, cloud-ready AI systems.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnetguide.net.